Just among the white diamonds go Chaco.
One, lupit.
There you go, the show has officially started. Plus for Chaco with trainer Sam.
Pagod na yung pit niya.
Hello everybody and welcome to Manila Ocean Park. So with me, trainer Mike. So here's an object that I will hide under Magalivita. They inhabit in open woodlands and forests along the east coast of Australia. They are very loud birds and can mimic almost any sound. They typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, and rambutan. And they also love gourds. Now guys, do you think that's the last ability to find the hidden object? If it's yes, then say you can do it, Dazzle. Go, Dazzle. And he did it! The round up for Dazzle.
May laman din dito kanina eh. Meron, may laman. Meron, nakita ko. O, diba?
Now for our next feature, let's just like animating couple. One of the many living partners for life and reach a romantic happy. But as any couple will attest, in a relationship there will always be battle. Meet Sassy and Rocky, our beautiful pair of green wing mahawk. And today, they will battle out who's the best in basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. On the girls with your part, Sassy, come on guys, stand me say, Sassy, 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 Sassy. And all the girls with your part, Rocky, come on guys, stand me say, Rocky, Rocky, Rocky. Alright, birds ready, trainers ready, set, go. Here's Rocky's first ball.
Mahina yung isa.
Followed only by Sassy, another one from Rocky. And for the last ball, Rocky wins.
Mahina yung isa,
So,
no?
Trainer April, what can you say? You guys lose this time. Hold it, we want another race. Oh, she wants another race, Trainer JB.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
This time, I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I want a ring race. So, what is a ring race? The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the pole, the fastest is the winner. That is a ring race. So, our ring race, it shall be. Remember, that boys already have 1 point. So, girls, let's do louder for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again. This time, our ring race. Ready, set, go! Please, rock out first.
Tinuruan ko rin lahat.
Trainer JB, what can you say? 3 rings at the same time.
Daya!
Hey, you guys cheated!
Correct!
No, he didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain. So it's true that
Dapat
girls are
isa-isa
more
yung dapat,
intelligent
no?
than boys?
Tinuruan lahat.
Alright, both
Lahat
for Sassy
palabas.
and Rock with Trainer April and Trainer JB.
Pinagalan talaga ng una ng ibo. Tapos yung ulo.
How intelligent she is by putting the shape back to its correct slot. Just like Sassy Green Wing Mahawks are from South
Mahina tong
America.
ibon eh, no? Yung
They
compare
are
nung
known
isa,
to be the
mabilis
gentle
eh.
giants of the parrot family. It is because they are the second largest next to the highest
Matanda na
mahawk.
siguro siya, no?
They typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits,
Yan yung favorite
and
bird ko
minerals
eh.
along the river bank. And for the last shape, go Sassy.
Hindi na malagay lahat.
There you go, and motion right now applause for Sassy with Trainer April. It's a great question for us. And number correct. After the second number, well, Rocky loves numbers. And he got it. And the time is equals to 40. Put your hands together. So this time, I need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill. Nakatuwa molus lenses and body flies over. And he gets the money and flies back. And I think body will donate the money. Oh, $1. So now before you go, I have a question for you. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds? No? Well, now you know. William Manuel, go along ng way. We are very, very grateful. Thank you so much. You may not enjoy the rest of the show. Anyone else? 1,000. Remedy guards are also known as Harias Toricus, one of the 400 horses we super around the world. These birds can be found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, along China, including in the movies and Himon Shadow. They are locally known as Lawi or Balok in Visayas region. And as you can see, we have our homing pigeon as well. Homing pigeon has an eating so it's fast and make. How much are our applause for Remedy guards and our homing pigeons? We believe there is hope. We only not try to take care of friends in the sea, but we're also who are in land and air as well. Now, who knows the tree are? Let's produce trees and recycle. Very good. So here's our lovely bird once again. They're going to show us the proper waste disposal.
Ayan, matatali na rin yun eh.
Kalapati nila.
We hope you enjoy our The Bird Spectacular. While in our own way, no matter how small the efforts, let's take action in saving them from exploitation or even extinction. Please let's go all our part in saving the world. Because remember, this is the only hope we got. So let me present the birds and the trainers that made this show possible. Trainer April with blue. Trainer Rochelle with speed. And Trainer Sean with shadow. And once again, I'm Trainer Mikey. Thank you and goodbye. And by the way, guys, please remain on your seat because so have a sea lion show. Once again, please remain on your seat and do not cross the yellow line. Thank you.
Dati si Lyle na naabutan namin eh. Walang ganyan.
How far is it?